as you can tell, I'm not feeling so great.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am starting a new work week in my life vlog, so welcome. If you are new to my channel, my name is Rachel and I work a 9-to-5 job in marketing. Specifically, I work for a bank in downtown Toronto, and I would love to have you on my channel, so please subscribe. I am starting this vlog, it's actually Wednesday night, and I meant to start this vlog earlier in the week, but to be honest, I've been really stressed out. And I just didn't want to like come on here and portray that to you. My condo is a disaster right now. It's a mess. So that's another reason why I haven't been vlogging, because I don't want to show you my mess. But I think I just might, because I'm gonna clean it. Today has been a much better day. I am a lot more chilled out because I got a lot of like the things that were stressing me out done yesterday. So I am feeling better about it. And also I had a really busy weekend this past weekend, so I was just exhausted and didn't get enough sleep, and that would kind of like set off the beginning of my week and not off to a great start. I'm getting back on track, so welcome to my week. On top of that, I actually have a ticket to Elevate Tech Fest, which is a Canada-wide tech festival that takes place here in Toronto, and I've been involved with it for the last 3 years. So I actually got a ticket last minute, and I didn't really plan for it because I didn't know that I would be going, so I didn't really plan ahead and get a lot of my work done last week. So I still have, I'm trying to like manage going to some of the events that are really cool while still like making it back to the office to like have meetings and do my regular work. I have attended a few really cool sessions, one with Chris Hadfield, Canadian astronaut. He had a ton of inspirational advice, and that was really cool. Today I went to a few sessions on product design, which is a topic that I find really interesting, like developing products that are user-friendly. When we speak about products in the tech space, it's usually apps, so it's really interesting to see different perspectives on designing, you know, applications and building features, and how like clients will interact with them, and the different things that you need to consider from like a user perspective. So that was really interesting. There was a speaker from Tinder talking about how, you know, their product is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and how dating is different in different countries, so you need to take in different cultural behaviors along with that. And then there was another speaker from Wealth Simple talking about how clients interpret information differently, and how you need to understand how they're going to interpret information, how they're going to feel about things, and then what behaviors they're going to make because of like the design that they see. So that was interesting. And then I went back to the office today and finished up some work. So that's kind of been my week so far, but I wanted to get you up to speed and take you along this journey. Actually, I was on the phone this evening with my friend Alyssa, who just moved to Vancouver. You guys know Alyssa if you've seen my vlogs before. She actually just moved to Vancouver last week. She did a road trip with a few other friends across Canada, and now she's arrived in Vancouver and is living there. So just caught up with her tonight, and it was really nice to hear from her. It's really exciting, and I've been just like following along her journey, so I'm happy for her.
Yeah.
How are your accommodations?
Good. So we're at an Airbnb right now. It's like a basement of a house in North Vancouver, and it's so nice.
I wanted to show you that I got this package yesterday from OPI, and it is their Hello Kitty collection, which is to die for. And if you've been a longtime viewer of mine, I have loved Hello Kitty ever since I was in high school. So this was such an exciting package to receive, and I had no idea that it was coming. So there are 15 shades in the collection, and I actually already played with it yesterday when I did my nails. So these are the 2 shades that I have on my nails, this shimmery shade all over, and it honestly applies so beautifully. It wasn't too sheer, and this was only 2 coats, and it's like a perfect application. Literally flawless at 2 coats. And then I ended up putting this glitter shade on these 2 fingers. I don't know, I was trying to like be artsy, and it's kind of random, but I love it. So this is a Hush of blush, and this one is Let's Celebrate. These are just 2 out of the 15. Like, these are beautiful. There are a lot of just like beautiful shades of red. This one is really, really pretty. I considered putting this one on my nails. How gorgeous is that? This is a really pretty blue. Navies, like I just love all of these. These are gorgeous glitters for the holidays. These are gonna be so pretty. Look at that. I'm in nail polish heaven. And this one. This is probably gonna be like a go-to this holiday season. And they all have the wrapped caps that are Hello Kitty. How pretty. And then these are little mini ones, and it looks like it is a holiday ornament. Like how pretty. I literally want to put this on my Christmas tree. I just changed into comfy clothes. Oh yeah, my Harvard long sleeve shirt. This is like one of my favorites because it's so comfy. And Reebok sweatpants. They're like thin sweatpants. Anyways, you don't really care. They're sweats. But yeah, change into something comfy, and I'm gonna clean now. Chore number 1, almost complete. Just have to dress the quinoa salad and add in the feta. Ta-da! 2 lunches for the rest of the week and some leftovers. Downside, a sink full of dishes. All right, I'm feeling much better about myself. This is a lot more tidy. There used to be a mountain of clothes over here on my drying rack, which is all put away, and the kitchen is pretty clean. I'm really trying hard not to project how I really feel tonight, although I do want to be real, and I kind of struggled tonight with just, I don't know, there was a lot of things that I need to get done that were just weighing on me. And I was procrastinating, so even just tidying up around here and like making my lunch for tomorrow, it's just making me feel a lot better about being productive. And now I'm gonna go to sleep so that I can get enough sleep tonight and be ready to be productive again tomorrow. Good morning. I woke up in a good mood because I got an email from my manager. Today is Employee Appreciation Day at work. I'm not sure if he was asked to do this or just did it naturally, but he wrote like a little email on why he appreciates us to each of the people on my team. So like mine was individual to me, but I'm assuming he did it to everyone. There's 5 members on my team that all report to the same manager, and it was just really nice. Sometimes it helps to hear, you know, a little bit of like reinforcement that you're doing a good job. I hate to say it, but like I feel like I need that sometimes. Like it helps me not doubt myself and my abilities, even though I know I'm doing a good job. It's nice to have a reminder sometimes, and I just thought that was really sweet. And like especially you saw last night, I was like kind of in a rough little period, and this was just really nice. So I have a little extra pep in my step this morning. I'm still tired, but just feeling a bit better, and I'm getting ready for work. And then because it is Employee Appreciation Day, they have a hot breakfast this morning. So I'm excited. I'm all ready. It's been so dark in the mornings, I think because of the seasons change. And do we change the time this weekend for daylight savings? It might be. Now I am ready to go. I need to pour my coffee and head to work. This is my outfit for today, really quick. So I'm wearing this blush colored long button down, and then my like checkered gingham pants and these black sandals. So sandals are from Globo. This is probably like the last day that I can wear sandals. These pants are from rw&co, and this blouse is from Forever 21 a while back. I'm wearing my Daniel Wellington watch and my regular jewelry. I'm home from work now. I had a really great day. It was Employee Appreciation Day, so there was a bunch of like extra activities that went on today. There was breakfast. There was like so many different treats and cookies and things like that. And like I said, my boss sent out a really nice email to me this morning, and like to each of us on the team, I assume, and he's really awesome. They also, like his boss had like cards on our desk for us, so it was just really nice. Felt really appreciated. And I even left work on time, so I feel good about the day. And now I'm gonna go over to my boyfriend's place, and we're gonna make dinner and just kind of chill out. I'm gonna bring my laptop and we're gonna do some work together, and that's probably gonna be my night. I'm just happy, I'm in a better mood, and I think I just like was in a bit of a rut yesterday and I needed to just snap out of it. And today I just had a really good day and I'm definitely back in my normal groove. But I think the moral of the story here is that we're all human and we're allowed to go through like ups and downs and have those days, but it's important to know that it's just temporary and, you know, it'll pass, and to just stay focused on, you know, your key priorities, what you want to do in life, and just push through it. So like, I knew that I wanted to tidy up my apartment. It sounds like such a small little thing, but that makes such a big difference in my mood and how I feel, because if my space is messy, then I feel like just really flustered. So I knew that that was important to me, so I made sure that I did it, pushed myself before I went to sleep. And then today was just, I felt so much better waking up, and then it was the little things that, you know, piled in my day that were just making it better and better. So I'm in a better mood is what I want to say. Oh, and I forgot to mention, one of my favorite parts of the day was actually one of the co-op students that works on my team told me to download Ritual, the app, because they were having a $1 deal or offer of the week. I got a booster juice for $1, and it made me so happy because I love booster juice, I love smoothies, but honestly I don't really treat myself very often, so it just made me really happy to get a $1 booster juice, because that's a no-brainer. And then I had a little treat among all the other treats I had today. Yesterday, ironically, I actually treated myself too, which honestly, 2 days in a row, but it doesn't happen very often. I try to, like, you see me, I make my coffee every morning. I always pack my lunch for work. I try to keep things really streamlined and then use little things as like treats along the way. So getting the booster juice today was a treat. Or yesterday I ended up getting Starbucks, which doesn't happen very often, but I got the mango dragon fruit refresher, and I used my reward to get like a really big one. It's way too much sugar, but just because I was kind of like in a funk yesterday, I used that to cheer myself up, and then today was just a good deal, so I had to get the booster juice. Download Ritual. I have like my referral code down below if you are interested in checking it out, and I believe if you were referred, that's what unlocks the $1 offer. So it's not just booster juice, it's like any of the places local to you. But also I guess I should caveat that by saying I don't know what cities this is offered in. Like, I live in downtown Toronto, so it's available there. But definitely check it out in the link down below. Check out Ritual and see if they offer it around you. So basically, if you're not familiar with what it is a, not food delivery service, but a food like ordering service. So you can order your food on the app ahead of time, and then you just go pick it up and you pay through the app too. When I ordered booster juice, all of the order taking process takes place on the app. You pay for it, and then all you have to do is go pick it up. But then by the time you get there, so normally you do it like in close proximity, and it works really well in downtown Toronto because everything is in close proximity and walking distance. So then it gives you kind of like an estimated time window, and then by the time you get there, your order is ready. So there's like food, you can order like drinks and things like that on there, and it's whatever like places are in partnership with Ritual, but it's a pretty well-known app, so a lot of places are on Ritual, and it just saves a lot of time. Just wanted to share that little tidbit with you. Good morning. I just took a shower, a really long hot shower, because I'm actually not feeling too well right now. I have a sore throat and I feel, knock on wood, feel myself getting sick, and I really don't want that. So I took some vitamins this morning. I'm drinking my coffee. I made a breakfast so that I have energy today to get through the day. I've actually never made this parfait with this granola before, so I'm excited. It's a Harvest Crunch like granola cereal, so I'll let you know if it's good. I approve. It's granola. Just trying to eat really healthy, drink a lot of water. You're sitting on my water cup right now so that I can fight this sickness. Took some vitamins, fuel my body, because I don't want to be sick. This always happens to me every year at this time, and I'm just trying to build my immunity. If you have any recommendations, leave them down below on how I can build up my immunity to sickness and not get sick all the time. This is delicious, and other than not feeling so great, it's gonna be a good day. So let's carry on. I'm back in my same spot on the couch here that I filmed the last few clips on. It's now the end of the week, it's the weekend, and as you can tell, I'm not feeling so great. So I've really just been taking it easy, trying to feel better and nurse myself back to health. So honestly, I haven't really been doing too much. I took a nap today, but I'd say in the last little bit, I've been pretty productive. Cleaned out my fridge, took out the garbage, which I am a major loafed on, and I don't take out my garbage very often. Usually when it starts to smell is like my clue to take it out. So 2 bags of garbage, one from my kitchen, one from my bathroom, and then my recycling was like so overflowing from underneath my cabinet that I had to put it into 2 separate bags. So that was a mission. And I also live at the end of the hallway, so it's like the garbage is so far, but these are obviously first world problems. So I did that, and then I did a cleaning of my condo. So I vacuumed, which again I had been a major loafed on. Like there were so many crumbs in my kitchen that were really irritating me, so I vacuumed and I Swiffered, and then I just did a load of laundry. So still need to like tidy up. I wasn't really around too much this weekend, so I need to like unpack my bag, because I usually take a while to unpack like my bag from the weekend. Like if I go visit my parents, for example, my bag usually stays on my floor for a few days. Why am I outing myself on all these things that I'm not good at? But now it's pretty late, so I'm gonna head to bed. It was nice to like, you know, clean up and make myself ready for the week. I have meals prepped already, so I am definitely on the ball with that. I'm gonna get to bed early so that I can get some more sleep and actually feel better and heal my body. I went to see my mom today, and she is just the best. She made me homemade muffins, and they were warm for when I arrived, and she was just amazing. But not only that, she knew that I wasn't feeling well, and she made me soup. My mom is just the best, and I love her. Mom, if you're watching this, thanks for making me feel loved and special. So I'm enjoying one of her muffins right now, even though I said I was gonna go to bed. If I'm just like a little bit hungry, I can't fall asleep, so I need this muffin right now.